Yeah.
So she want to bite the body like a chicken.
Yeah. You see me, I said, man, she couldn't manage. So she have to bite the one like a chicken sandwich. She want to bite it like a chicken sandwich. Me, the man, I say, yo, when she get it, she couldn't take. You understand what I'm trying to say? She get it, you know, but she can't manage it. So she read that. You know what the girls are when them can't take the D, them know suck the D. You see me? So that man, she say, yo, she couldn't manage. So she have to name it. She want to name it like a chicken sandwich. When I listen to the lyrics, that watch it.
Good is like your college. Love how your body thicker than the granny.
So after she said she want deal with it like a bumbuckle bell chicken sandwich, you know, the man say, yo, to all her brain good, like she go to college. You see me, I say, cause she couldn't manage, so she start beat the John now, you know. So she beat the John now, brother. The man say, yo, it's so good. It's like she got. Whoa, hear me now. People wanna deal with. Yeah, no.
She couldn't manage, so she want.
What out? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs here, and I'm back with another reaction video. Now I'm here for not a reaction, it's a review. Vybz Kartel, Body Language. You know, some have represented for the Gaza fans already because all are there. You see me, I say? So, without further ado, no long chattings, people, smash the like button upon the video. Subscribe if it's the first time here. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So, don't know the thing setting up, people. You see me, I say? And ready for this? Body Language. I don't know, if you don't want me, I feel like my girlfriend writing that song tonight. You see me? Body Language. I'm irritated about how they get the teaser. You know what I mean? I can see what I'm going for Body Language. Ready?
Bite the body like a chicken sandwich.
Wow.
The way your head good is like your go college.
Wow.
Love how your body thicker than the granny porridge.
Wow. Remember them long time when the granny make them banana porridge and them plantain porridge, you thick. You see me, I say, you ready. Go through. Go see what I go on.
You tell your pussy talk, that a body language.
Wow.
I need you full of pleasure, so it have it.
Wow.
Treat you good, you want me, girl, me now go bring your sadness.
Hold on then now. So, hold on. One more you say about underneath a while ago. Hold on, go through.
You tell your pussy talk,
Yeah.
that a body language.
Yeah.
Underneath you full of pleasure, so it have it damage. Treat you.
So why you got damage it if it's full of pleasure, dog? No, real, but why you got damage it if it's full of pleasure? That unfair, brother. If it's full of pleasure, you have to treat it nice and treat it good. Go through though.
You good, you want me, girl, me now go bring your sadness.
Yeah.
If you give away the pussy, me I go deal with
Yeah.
What would I do if we never have you?
Wow.
Ever in a farm, shine for me, my style.
Yeah. What me feel say that song? What me feel say that song show depend the two Tanisha album so. I just saw it feel, that's how it sound. And that vibes they give me like me listen to the album right now. You see me? Well anyways, where you got you? You got you. We'll see what I say.
But I love you like war. Can't be alone long as I have you.
You.
What would I do if we never have you?
You.
Ever in a farm, shine for me, my style. Now tell about I love you like war. Can't be alone long as I have you. You want me got this. Oh yeah, you're full of chat.
John Star. Man out represent for the girl them. People are not there with people. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and people. You don't know things set, you know. You don't know. They're a different kind of vibes. I can never in the reaction mood. And the song you drop random out of the middle and know it down. I say I know some have to go drop a reaction. You see me, I say I have a different video for upload to the still, you know, but they don't say Gaza VP, Gaza Vast. But I say VP, Sikarans, wake up yourself. But they don't say Vybz Kartel doing things, so you have to represent, you know. But you see what I'm saying now for the girls them, man. Ready? Ready? Alright, forward. Whoa. What? A bad man sex a go on the sun and a pitney sex in a go on in a youth. One on your breast, other one on the matic in a some bad man sex she get in a youth. You see me? When I ramp, when I tap, you know, you just done knock it in there. You see me? You just done knock it in there, better chill in there. You see me? I say, you're not easy back right now. You have one hand on the breast. Only gun just in case anything. Got you. Make only hear my man say that. Listen to my man say that. Hold on, come in. Hear it now. One hand on your breast, one hand on the matic. Wow. Wow. I saw that girl. I saw she please you so much, mate. She said she have the best punani for the what? Me hear come on. Yeah. Whoa.
What would I do?
Well, I wonder if he made that song before and he'd win the Grammy for real. I could go back a little bit though. More you say that. More you say, brother. After the lyrics about one hand pan the breast, one hand pan the back. What? Wait, got you. Gone to 4. Ready? No, Adi. Got you now. Ready? Yeah. Yeah. Ask her for the best punani on the planet. Post them never ask her for that. A one man who could have determined. Just think about it now. They must have ask her for the best punani on the planet, dog. You see me I say? You know say I go want somebody. You have to go have one man who have to fuck you all the pum pum them in the world. That be me. You have to have one man who have to knock all the pums them in the world to compare which one have the best punani on the planet. You see me? Say if you have to just baggy head them out. Got you. What help somebody there? Ready?
Like war, can't be alone long as I have you.
Yo.
What would I do if me never have you?
Yo.
Ever in a farm, shine for me my star. Now fell apart.
Alright, we hear the chorus already. Me not like song bad. We got you. We hear the chorus already though. You see me I say? Ready now.
So she want to bite the body like a chicken sandwich. The way your head good is like you go a college.
Wow.
Love how your body thicker than the granny Paris.
Wow.
Fuck you till your pussy talk, that a body love.
That more answer now. How it go talk? What I go say? How it go talk? Lord, looks a chop. Girls supposed to happy so they drop us again. Anyway, we go through a little bit more right there. So, is it me? I say, ready?
Treat you good, you want me, girl, me now go bring you sadness. But if you give away the pussy, never deal with badness. What would I
Oh, if I hear that part then, man I say if you cheat, my pick up badness. Me say I go bam down some place out. You see me? I say if you give her the pumps, I pick up badness. So don't give her the pumps. And that's every man to any man, well not every man. Cause if you cheat upon me, I say alright, bye, go and go dating. I'm not pick on nobody, so I'm not gonna take no revenge. I'm not gonna kill nobody. Are you decide what you want to do with your pumps? And that's what me see it. As me I say, yeah, I hear one. You can go and go get it everywhere. You can go dash it around this if you want to dash it around this. You can dash it everywhere you want to dash it. I don't mean your pump. What you hear one, you know? Go on do what you do with it. Well on, phone lock. Ready. What would I do if me never? I them something I can't take, you know. Me up. Alright.
Ever in a farm, shine for me my star. Now fell apart, I love you like war. Can't be alone.
Oh yeah, now I fell apart. Remember I'm song when him fell apart. Alright, we got to come on now.
What would I do if me never have you? Ever in a farm, shine for me my star. Now fell apart, I love you like war. Can't be alone long as I have you.
Song done. Jano Star. I couldn't hear my favorite line of the song, my favorite verse of the song. Because song done, you know, so I could go back a little bit, you know. This is for the intro alone, like the intro, listen to the intro, you know. The intro alone shot, you know, me not like. The intro alone, I say, Tyrekejt, it a kick teeth. Ready? Come no, man. Some like with my other camera, you know. I don't like when I make video them weird, you know. Watch ya. Yeah.
So she want to bite the body like a chicken.
Yeah. You see me, I said, man, she couldn't manage. So she have to bite the one like a chicken sandwich. She want to bite it like a chicken sandwich. Me, basically, man, I say, yo, when she get it, she couldn't take. You understand what I'm trying to say? She get it, you know, but she can't manage it. So she read that. You know what the girls are when them can't take the D, them want suck the D. You see me? So that man she say, yo, she couldn't manage. So she have to near me. She want to near me like a chicken sandwich. When I listen to the lyrics, that watch it.
Good is like your college. Love how your body thicker than the granny.
So after she said she want deal with it like a bumbuckle bell chicken sandwich, you know, the man I say, yo, to all her brain good, like so she go to college. You see me I say, cause she couldn't imagine, so she start beat the John now, you know. So she beat the John now, brother. The man say, yo, it's so good. It's like so she go to college. You ready?
Me fuck you till your pussy talk, that a body language.
Wow.
Underneath you full of pleasure, so it a feed.
Wow.
Treat you good, you want me, girl, me now go bring you sadness.
Jano, my treat her good. Cause she what? That's what pum pum do. Wanna see what pum pum do? Welcome like I'm ready to see what pum pum do now. Alright, ready, we some more song.
The pussy me I go deal with badness. What would I
Do if you never have yo. But anyway, Steve, when I go talk on the head off, you don't understand, go check out the song. You see me I say song Shut Up Road right now. You see me I say the boy Tyrekejt, you know. You subscribe to the channel, you know. You like the video, you know. I'm have a new series where I go start reacting to Vybz Kartel old performance. I do one already. You understand? But that song I drop, so I will drop it today instead of that video. So I'll get that tomorrow. And maybe I get it later because I like I'll double upload some days. You see me I say? But subscribe, like, share, comment. I'm gone. Big up on yourself.